The Delhi High Court has now issued a notice to the CBI on a plea moved by Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, wherein he has sought bail in the corruption case that was related to the excise policy matter. The High Court has now fixed the 17th of July as the next date for the hearing. Arvind Kejriwal has also recently contested his arrest in the CBI case, with his plea presently awaiting a reply from the court. Prior to this, the ED had arrested Arvind Kejriwal on the 20th of June, and the order was subsequently stayed by the High Court. My colleague Shubh Rana with us on the broadcast. Shubh, if you can take our viewers through the details of what has happened in the Delhi High Court today as far as Arvind Kejriwal's bail plea is concerned.
Yes, definitely, because Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by the CBI on June 26 from Tihar jail, where he is still lodged in the judicial custody in a connected money laundering case. And the Delhi High Court have issued a notice to the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) regarding a bail plea filed by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in a connection with the excise policy case. And initially, the High Court have agreed with the CBI's contention that Kejriwal should have approached the city court first. However, the bench later opted to consider the merits of the Kejriwal's direct appeal to the High Court during the arguments, wherever senior advocate Abhishek Madhusinghvi, who have been representing Arvind Kejriwal, said that the AAP leader is not a flight risk and not a terrorist, and the CBI arrested him after he got bail in the ED's money laundering case. And the court has said that the notices have been accepted. The petitioner have directly approached the High Court. Therefore, the Justice Nina Bansal Krishna in her order have said that the matter is listed for hearing in July 17. Also, Gopal Rai would be addressing a press conference where he'll reveal what the next course of action would be taken by Aam Aadmi Party, because since Arvind Kejriwal is in Tihar jail and Delhi Vidhan Sabha elections are approaching after 5 to 6 months. So therefore, it is necessary for Chief Minister to come out, and therefore there is a press conference which is scheduled at 12, where Gopal Rai will reveal the party course of action.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.